guys, just doing a quick video on a 2011 Rad Cap 450 XC. Just doing a quick rad drain location, the bolt that you have to take off to drain the rad. If you look here, it's just a little bolt which looks like a thermostat housing with all these hoses running to it. Remove that bolt and that's where the rad fluid will drain from, but you want to remove the rad cap. The rad cap is at the top of the quad, usually under a little cover. Pretty easy to find, but anyway, you remove this bolt, remove the cap first, remove this bolt, and the fluid's going to come shooting out pretty far, so make sure you set your pan out a little far until it starts to slow down, and then it'll drip just below it. As you can see, I removed everything. I took the step guard and I took a little guard that's off here because I'm doing other work on this, but you can get that out without removing that stuff. It's an 8mm bolt. If you have a box end, you can get it in there. There's about this much space in there. You can get it out without taking this stuff out. But yeah, that's a quick rad drain on a 2011 Rad Cap 450 XC. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.